Hello? Does this work? Do I have to transition like this? Oh, something like that. Hello. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Because now I have to manually switch everything. It's been a while since I've streamed, and I don't have my stream deck with me today. I left that at home. So I'll have that tomorrow. But yeah, I'm back, kind of. Ish. We'll see. Yeah, I'm moving home tomorrow, so this is like the last time you'll see me in my dorm for now. Right. How's everyone doing? Oh, well, let's see, now I have to manually I usually have my stream deck here. We can just press buttons and everything happens, but let's manually turn, I believe, you off. And then do that. Something like this. Yes, I think something like this. Yeah, there we go. And then you can see my screen. Yeah. So lots has changed. You probably noticed the whole stream setup. Oh, right. I also have to do this. There we go. Make the chat smaller so the blocklings are there as well. Yeah. So the stream overlays changed quite a bit, as you've probably noticed. We have the camera. Oh, the shop. Wait, the shop was there earlier, wasn't it? Yeah, the shop was there earlier. Right. My webcam's now blocking it. Right. The chat is a bit different. The Blockling area is a bit different. I mean, it's not too different, but like, you know, I can open up the top. I think the main reason for all this change is that I got an ultra wide monitor. When did I get? I got an ultra wide monitor. I want to say like July. Why can't you play Islands of War? You're talking about Islands of War at the One Eye? Islands of War, I mean, you can play it. It's still available for download. I'm not stopping you from playing it. Yeah, so I got an ultra-wide monitor, so all the layouts have to change. It's like 3,500 pixels wide, which messes all my stream overlay. But yeah, today, so yeah, some other things have, you might notice there's some extra stuff in the chat. I think I've increased the amount of shards you get. I think I've also changed the way you get shards, so like talking in chat gives you shards, which is great. But like if you don't talk, if you say something at like the start and the end, I give you like a little bit of shards throughout the entire time, which is also nice. You think you've got a low laptop, maybe that's why. Maybe. But the old Islands of War shouldn't be super process intensive though. I mean, it was pretty simple. Yeah, so there's also, actually, I've updated the live stream overlay, which is that in the description of this. I do not know. It should be in the description of this. The live stream overlay has been updated, and actually there was a new command that got added. So, actually there's been a few new commands. Has there been a few new commands? There was a shop. Yeah, so there's an outfit command. Outfit, which can tell you everything that you currently have. There's also a new clip command. Now, I haven't exactly like regulated this. Basically, you can, let me just do an example clip. This is a clip. Actually, it doesn't, I need to change that. Basically, if you use the clip command and then you put in a title, what happens is the stream overlay gets the current time of the stream, and then it formats it all nicely so that at the end of the stream, I can go back and I can copy a giant thing, and it has all the timestamps of all the places that were clipped. So if someone wants to look at the highlights or the funny stuff of the stream, whatever funny stuff there might be, they can just press through all of them. Kind of like the chapters, how chapters are. Right, but today, so initially I was thinking of working on some sort of prediction system. So the entire idea of this whole live stream overlay thing is, okay, I'm going to be streaming a bit more. But the entire idea of this whole live stream overlay is to put some of the features that Twitch has on here on YouTube. And I don't know why, I'm just not streaming on Twitch. Twitch would probably be better, but I've already built this overlay for YouTube, and so having to change the whole API and stuff, like, look at this. Look at this. You have no idea how hard it is to put this into GameMaker. I literally have a ton of, look at this, getting tokens, token expiry, refreshing tokens, chat IDs, all this done manually. Honestly, it's actually kind of a cool project. Something like Twitch, but more JWig specified. Exactly. Like, Twitch has some great features, and one of the features that I was working on before I stopped working on this overlay was a prediction feature. So, like, Twitch has this feature where, like, you can bet, like, your channel points, and then you put it in this giant pot, and then whatever the result of it, you know, you can get, like, more than what you initially started with, which is kind of what I was going for, but it got complicated. There was physics objects to make things look shiny and special, and yesterday and the day before that, so Friday, my exams finished. Yesterday was Saturday, so Friday and Saturday, I was been making my code better. There's been a lot of updates to GameMaker since I stopped working on this. So I think I have like something like 25 commits in GitHub in the past 2 days just to bring everything up to standard of how I want it to work. Yeah, Scrapman plays Islands of War. Islands of War is your favorite game? Dude, I'm honored. I feel like Islands of War, personally, isn't at the level where, for me, it would be considered a top game. But if for you it's already a top game, then I'm honored. Inventory, unfortunately, you can't inventory outfits. You have to go through each of them one by one. 25 rookie numbers, yes. Yeah, I know. It's not that much, but... So yeah, so today what I plan on doing... So I threw predictions out. I pretty much deleted all the code. It was garbage anyway, so even if I wanted to do predictions, I have to start over from scratch, which... Oh well. But... I honestly find that there are other things I could be working on instead of predictions. There are other features that would be cool. By the way, also the Livestream document has been updated. If you don't want to have to go through all the colors, if you go to the Livestream document, I can send that in chat again. YouTube, the Livestream info. Here we go. I should be able to do this. Yeah, there we go. If you go there, at the bottom, there's a link to all items, which sends you to Google Drive, so that you can see all of the items that are available to be bought. All of the colors, animations, pretty much everything. Yeah, so what I'm working on today is I have in my... what was it? The predictions was one of them, but again, low priority at this point. Text-to-speech was something that I've played with. So I have a... Where is it? In my game controller. I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear this. So in my game controller, I should have a... Oh, yes. So it should be Shift-Q. If I hit Shift-Q...
JWigs, Blockling, Crystal.
Hey, there we go. So yeah, so I've got a text-to-speech, kind of, that I can execute a shell to make it say whatever I want. So that could be useful in the future. Except, I mean, Twitch also has like message highlights, subscriptions, followers. Kind of hard to do on YouTube. So today I'm just gonna do fun commands. Today I'm just going to be working on fun commands. So one of the commands that I've seen a lot of Twitch streamers use that I kind of want to use is a Hydrate Command. Because I have a 1.8 liter thing. And I also have blue. Actually, I don't have any water in my cup. I've got blue, my cup. I think it holds about 800 milliliters, which is pretty big. So Hydrate Commands, I have recorded some special sound effects for Hydrate Commands. So, you know, Hydrate doesn't have to be boring. What were the other character to a random position? The other thing is, I also want to spawn shards kind of in, I don't know if you can see my mouse, kind of in the Blockling area. And then your dudes can just pick them up as they walk around. I've changed the walking algorithm so it's more fair. Things relatively will walk at the same rate, and so there'll be an equal chance for everyone to pick stuff up. So random TP, Hydrate Command, fun random text-to-speech commands, an interrupting cow, moo. I don't know, just fun commands working on today. So that's the plan. And the first thing is to work on Hydrate. So I'm actually going to turn the music down. Actually, wait, let's put that back. Let's mute it here. Because we are going to be firstly working in Audacity. So I have two. Whoa, no, not this. I have two. Did I just leak my stream key in that brief millisecond? Oh dear, no. Well, I did it again. No, I didn't. Awesome, that's covered. Everything's everywhere. I'm lost. Where's my stream chat? There's my stream chat. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so I have a, let's mute you. I have some hydrate sound effects. So kind of, I want it so when you play like the hydrate command, we get combos. So like a little combo meter comes up, and then the more people add on to it, like you can only do like one in a chain. So each person only gets like, can do it once, but then we can chain it together. So I've got a hydrate, which is, I've got a horn firstly. Wasn't very loud. Let me increase the desktop volume since we're going to be using it more. Yeah, so we've got that. Then we've also got, I recorded a ton of hydration voice lines. Hydrate! So yeah, the other thing that I added, the other thing that I had that I haven't checked to see how well it goes together is I do have, where is my live stream overlay, source asset sounds. I did create an effect that I do want to try and throw in here. So I'm gonna mute you, put you in a new one. No, you're not solo, you're just muted. So the idea is, so actually I should probably do this in multiple parts because I kind of want this sound effect, and then we get that sound effect, but then as the, volume down. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let's turn that down then. Got it. How about this? Oh my goodness, why is that so loud? Why is my desktop audio gained? Oh my desktop audio is gained to 30 for some reason. Let's try. Hopefully I don't kill your ears again. Is that better? Something like that. I hope that's better. Checking in to get some shards. Well, okay, nice, that's better. For some reason, my stream overlay chat's faster than the chat that I'm looking at. Strange. So we have that. We have, so yeah, actually, this should be separated. So I'm going to go ahead and delete. Actually, they all should be separated. I just want to get the timings correct. We do want to get the timings correct. So we want close you. No, I don't want to save you. So that if we play it all together, you see that's all messed up. And then if this was at the start, that would be even more messed up. And then we have to deal with sound and volume. This is something I should have prepared, but I ran out of time, so we're probably going to do that. It's probably better to balance, since I want this to like go up. Why are you so low? We should probably just balance this inside GameMaker, which is what I'm gonna do. Let's close you, and it's time to import assets. I do not have any sounds. Create group. Sounds. Create. Oh, the other thing I did is hello, High Rise. What sound effect is that again? So I have just like a synth. I have a deep bass. It's like an epic horn that's played at like movie trailers and stuff. And I have my sound effects. My day is going good. My exams are over, and I'm so happy. Sound hydrate, let's call this horn, since we first have a horn. Move you over to here. It might actually be easier to open this up and just drag the horn in. Okay, well actually I can just drag it in without creating the sound effect. Okay, so sound hydrate horn. Hydrate horn already exists, so let's delete that one. Epic horn. Do you make more games on itch? Maybe. I only really branch out to other games when I only branch out to other games when I do game jams. And even then, my other games have somehow been slightly related in the same universe. So this is the horn. Oh yeah. Perfect, perfect. Let's get all of my hydrates 1 to 10s in here. Okay. I want to close you all. So I made 10 different ones. So I'm thinking combo meter, we go 1 to 10. And at 10, it's over. And I don't know, maybe whoever participated in it gets I don't know, crystals. Like, okay, maybe what we do is you put in an investment. So for example, if you're the first person, actually I do not want the super. So like, let's say you put in 10 crystals, and then every person puts in 10 crystals, and depending on how high it goes, how high we get the hydrate meter to, you might get some crystals back. So I'm not exactly sure how that's going to work. JWig Cinematic Universe. Yeah, I kind of have like a game universe going a bit. I mean, kind of only Lab Slime is set in a Nova research laboratory somewhere in Illa. We have one of the other games where what's it called? The Federation Coalition Alliance, the Coalition of the Federation Alliance, the CFA, yes, I believe. The CFA. Oh, it didn't put sound in front of all of these. So we've got something like that going. I've got an idea for a game, except it's most likely not going to be set in the Illa cinematic universe, whatever we're calling. We're calling it the Illa game universe or something. Sound Hydrate 4, Sound Hydrate 5. Oh dear. Sound Hydrate 6. Oops, nope. Not duplicate. Delete. Okay. So, yeah, so the other sound effects I want to do is I want to do an interrupting cow. I thought of doing a bleep effect. I'm not exactly sure. Should I do a bleep effect? I feel like it would be more disruptive than anything. Like, a cow is okay, but a bleep would just be... A random bleep would be annoying. Makes sense because they're made in Game Maker Studio, which means different physics, rely on the same rules, which means they're interconnected at a universal scale. Something like that. I mean, even this overlay, as ridiculous as it is made in Game Maker. I mean, Game Maker can kind of do a bunch of stuff. So then we have the hydrate effect that I created, which is this, a sound hydrate effect. And what I'm going to do is, I think I'm better off creating a script, play hydration sound. And then I will have a combo. So this combo will be 0 through 9. Oh, You know what? The combo will be 1 through 10. Because if you put it in, it starts at 0. 0 means no combo. The Council of the Coalition of the Federation Alliance Association Corpo Co. I'd like to imagine fly out far enough that you can find giant floating overlay. Yes. Yes. I like to imagine that too. Actually, the thing is, we're gonna need some delays on these, because manually setting the delays, because I'm too lazy to create one sound effect that combines each of them. So the alternative, actually, I don't know if this is harder, so it's less lazy and more. Nah. I don't know which one's worse. Object sound controller. So what we're going to do is we are going to... Actually, let's put the script. Where's my script? Play hydration sound. Let's put that inside my sound controller. So Game Maker's gotten a ton of updates. You can play version 1.0, but you can't play version 8.11. Oh, okay, yeah, that would make version 8.11... There's been a lot of Game Maker changes, and I believe that changes some of the underlying things. Trying to program a game, but chat forces me with macro commands. What do you mean by macro commands? So yeah, the other thing I've gotten good at doing, or better at doing, is getting better documentation for my functions. So declaring functions, something like that. And this should actually be a sound controller. Play hydration. And then we're gonna, in the game controller, I'm going to create, let's create a global.hydration meter equals 0. And then I also want to create a cooldown. Hydration cooldown equals, I want to say 15 seconds. Sorry, not 15 seconds. Oh, like pressing, undoing progress, macro to shut down without saving 10k shards. Yeah, that would be rather annoying. That would be very annoying. Let's say 15 minutes on the hydration cooldown. So I think I'm going to want this in, I think I'm going to want this in 15, do I do this in milliseconds or in game frames? I think I do this in milliseconds. Oh, actually, this cooldown should be a macro, because that's where we keep our macros. Macro, cooldown, 15 seconds, money. We do macro, cooldown, hydration, time. Actually, cooldown and time is redundant. So 1,000 times 1,000 milliseconds times 60 seconds in a minute times 15 minutes. And we do not, actually we do need parentheses. And this is 15 minutes. Programming, but more annoying. That could be an idea for a game jam, where it becomes you versus me. I think I need to make some way to make it less annoying. Possibly, like, yeah, exactly. Control A backspace would just, like, what would, it just deletes everything. But then if you Control A backspace, because technically it's still on my computer, I can just Command Z to undo it. It's still annoying. I don't know. So then this is hydration meter, and this is global.hydration. Cooldown equals 0. So we are going to add a message command. Okay, what do you think? Should hydration cost something like, I don't know, 10 crystals? Hello, Wilson. I don't know. I feel like hydration should cost something. Shards, color, inventory, clip. Yep, so that's the new clip thing. We just push the current hour, minute, and second of the stream into an array. And it even works. I worked hard to get it so that when I close the overlay and I reopen it, things persist throughout the duration of my stream. So this should be case, outfit, clip, hydrate. And so then what we'll do is we will start a combo. So we want to first, if global dot return money if you get a big streak and lots of money in. Yeah, so what's going on? We're working on making a hydration command. And I'm just drinking water even without it. Expend more shards for a larger volume. Okay, here's the thing. I only have 10 levels. Like, I only have 10 sound effects. So, I guess if we do, like, 3... if we do... interesting. We'll just get a basic one going. And the other thing is, I need to find a place to put it. So I'm thinking, above the chat, I used to have a little timer here. What we can do is, when hydration is going, we can drop the chat down a bit. And we can have a little bar that shows the hydration meter. How many people are currently watching? Because that kind of does determine something. So, okay, 5 people, not bad. That means I think 10 is okay. I think 10 is fine. And then we need some sort of rewards. We'll deal with rewards later. Right now, we will do if global.hydration cooldown is how do I normally handle cooldown? So the hydration cooldown is the current time. It's the current time that I'm storing. So if hydration cooldown is less than the current time, what we're going to do is we're going to set global.hydration cooldown equals the current time plus, ooh, but we are in a combo. So, okay, so we actually need a combo time that's different. So let's do the cooldown. So this is global.hydration combo time equals 0. And do I want that in seconds? I do want that in seconds. So what we're going to do is, so if hydration cooldowns, that means if 15 mins since last hydration. 15 minutes is a long time. I drink water like every 5 minutes. But then again, I don't want to get flooded with hydrations every what? Every 5 minutes? I don't know. I'm okay with that, actually. I'm kind of okay with that. Yeah, actually, I feel like once every 5 minutes is okay. It's not too much. We can deal with that. The actual balancing of it. So if we set the cooldown time to plus hydration, cooldown hydration time, and then we set the global.hydration combo time equals the current time plus. So we want to set you to, how long do we have? How long should the combo? I think the combo should last for 15 seconds. So this is hydration combo time. This is 1,000 times 15 seconds. 1,000 times 15 seconds. Let's do 20 seconds. So in 20 seconds, okay, so there's two ways we can do this. We can do 20 seconds and everything has to come in those 20 seconds. Or we can do 20 seconds, or we can do like a shorter time, but then every time someone uses the command, it increases. Let's do everything comes in 20 seconds. We can do 30 seconds. It's 30 seconds if we do stream delay. About 8 seconds of stream delay. I think 20 seconds is actually fine. So hydration combo time is 20 seconds. That means you've got 20 seconds. What's wrong with you? Expression global used as a, excuse me. Is it probably because my step is unfinished? What is your problem? Equals 0, equals 0. Unnecessary expression global. Oh, we literally, I see. Combo time max. Let's just set that to max. So then we have that hydration meter. We then can get, where were we? We were working in working somewhere here. Message command, right. So if the hydration is less than the current time, we set that. The combo time equals that plus the hydration combo time max. And then that will happen. And what we are going to do is global.hydration combo. It's called a meter, I guess. Equals, no, we want a plus plus. So if it isn't, oh, and we need to actually check first if this is 0. Because if it's 0, then we start it. And if it's not 0, else if, oh wait, it's just an else. If it's not 0, we want to check if, want to check if the global.hydrate, we want to check if we're currently in a combo. So either there is not started yet or we started it. The global.hydration combo time is less than the current time. No, actually, this makes sense if the current time is less than that. Yes. So this is start a new hydration, starts new combo. This is a continuation of combo. See, Better code, better comments. We just want to global.hydration meter plus plus. Oh, right. In both of these, in both of these, we are going to need to play these. So I guess we just object sound controller. Watching this on your phone makes it realize it's impossible to see the chat preview from here. Yeah, that's... Oh, actually, is it that bad? I actually haven't tested it on my phone. I actually should. It is a bit small. How bad is it? Mute, mute, mute. Oh, dear. It is... Oh, wow. It is tiny. Quality? Yeah, best quality. So... you gotta squint real hard. That might be an issue. Oh well. Oh well. Object sound controller dot. I had my sound controller function, right? Sound controller play hydration. And actually, because it's a global variable, we're just not going to specify anything since it's always going to be the same thing. So sound controller play hydration. Let's put an effect. Never mind. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Sound controller play hydration. I think something like that. I really want to. What are you doing? I don't need you anymore. User refresh init message command. Because I'm gonna need to perform a bunch of checks in places. Chat's hard to see unless you have a good screen with high resolution. Yup. Might need to increase the size of the chat, which wouldn't be too bad. It wouldn't be too hard. I think I've done it pretty dynamically to where I'm using like heights and stuff. Also, cool thing, you can do this. Oops, I messed that up. You can do... Oh, no, it is shard. Oh, I got it right the first time. You can do shard in chat, and it'll show a shard. Because that's how my string parser does things. And apparently I got shards from that too. Nice. Global.hydration cooldown. Where was I? I keep getting distracted by all sorts of things. Contrast? Is it Oh, that's a good point. Contrast could be increased because it fades out, which, you know, kind of. Also, that's why if you're wondering why some messages are in purple, it's to verify that people aren't just sending random stuff. Bot should respond off at least have somewhere else to modify stuff. I'm not sure what you mean, Wilson. I'll explain. Sound control play hydration. I think that works. So yeah, because we need to check for the chat. For the chat controller, we need to eventually update the dimensions. Ooh, chat needs to update dimensions again. Ooh, I don't like that. I do not like updating the dimensions of the chat, especially chat. Oh, you know what? We have so much space. We have so much space right here. So much space. I see plus 99923. I was worried, but then I noticed it doesn't have the purple arrow, which means it's not a system message. See, that's how I verify. That's how you don't. So actually, let's just put a hydration meter right there. So let's create a hydration controller. Create object hydration controller. Let's also create a cool. So I have a lot of these that I can use. We can create a sprite. I'm going to call this SPR water. Let's resize you to 16 by 16. So actually, yeah, I like that resolution. We can always scale it up. 16 by 16. We get a water droplet. 3. Well, I do know this base has to be wide. That's usually what water droplets are. So we do something like that. 2 up, 2 up. Oh, ew, No. Something like this. Maybe move that down. move this down as well. Uh, uh, hmm. I should use log4j. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. Something like that. That's like a weird water droplet. Maybe this is the issue. This pixel right here. ODE. Time to Google water droplet pixel art. That's a nice shape. Okay, so what are you doing? You kind of have a 1, 2, 3 at. Oh, okay, so you're odd. So 3, 1, 1. Okay, I see it. I see how you're doing it. I see how you're doing it. Except I can probably do like 4. Something like this. Something like that. It needs a bigger tip. Yeah, kind of. That works. I like that. I think if we get the color right, we can make this look pretty cool. We can make this work. I do want you to be a bit lighter. Okay. And then, you know, this is just classic dumb shading techniques. Just actually, no, I want the light to be coming from the top left in this case. And then I know we need it to be a bit lighter, but I also know we need a bubble. Like we can get some lighter. That's not very clear that was lighter. Replace color. And then what we do is we can bring this to more pale, I believe, something like that. And then we do, any chance you open source this? See, here's the thing. This live stream is so custom built for this stream. Like, sure, I'm using a lot of good practices. For example, stream keys are not hard-coded. The reason for that is so I don't accidentally show you all my stream keys or any secrets on the stream. Like, that's a good idea. But there's just so many things that are custom that it would be weird to open source. It means that, yeah, it's very spec. This is a decent droplet. And then we drop the color dark and we replace the color of that. That's nice. That's a good water droplet. I want you in the middle center. Yeah, I'm happy with that water droplet. You can contribute to it. That is a good point. But the thing with all open source, someone is inevitably going to try to copy it or try to use it, especially because it's a game maker project. Game maker projects are really easy just to plug in and just run. Which, okay, would you actually be able to run it? Okay, technically you could run it. There's nothing stopping you from running it. The amount of setup that I don't tell you about in order to get this running, there's a lot of behind the scenes API stuff. So I guess, I mean, I could just open source it and be like, if you want to try figure it out, you can, but yeah, I could do that. Let's create where is it? We want our hydration controller. Let's make a create event. Let us make we want a draw GUI event. I also want coordinates that I'm going to get from somewhere. All right, do we want to update the dimensions? No, we don't. We do not want to update dimensions. So I'm just going to have, what am I calling it? Height? Oh, the main thing, okay, the width is kind of going to be fixed, so it's mostly going to be a height thing. Even then, we don't really need it. We just need a var draw x1 equals something. A var draw y1 equals y1 would be a vertical divider y plus, what's my padding? 8. Var draw x2 is, we'll figure out the x later. Var draw y2 equals, you spent hours modding Islands Void. You doubt Oh, I'm sure you'll figure it out. I'm sure there's enough. And my YouTube controller is documented well enough to where you can actually figure it out. And I mean, I've literally put in links. So I mean, sure, and super secret auth codes do not share .ini. I've got links to literally exactly where I'm referencing. I mean, this is for me because I'm dumb and I forget and I don't save links, so just put it in the code. I'm sure you'll figure it out. Actually, I could. I did say in my live stream info that the repo is private, but whatever. Vertical. No, we want this to be the display height -2, I believe, and then I'm just going to draw GUI box at draw x1, draw y1. Oh, it's using width and height. Okay, well, then we can just do draw x2 minus draw x1, draw y2 minus draw y1. Oh, Halligan and Valigan. We want it to align to the top left and the horizontal line left, vertical line top, border color. Time to copy my chat controller. I can't remember the colors I defined. Chat controller. Actually, I should just copy it. Draw, color outline. That. Is it sharp? No. Something like that. So now we need to figure out our X. So I'm going to do object chat controller dot X. No, dot. What were you? Dot chat W. Okay. Plus. Ooh, so okay, we can actually change. Yeah, no, we want to fix this based on the chat controller. So chat X plus object chat width plus 8. Game. So see, you said UMT is updating pretty fast. GameMaker's also updating pretty fast. Like, I built a UI system earlier this term. It seems like they have a UI system on the horizon. Like they're moving fast. Even though I like my UI system better, it follows some of the design principles I learned. It feels fluttery. You've got parents. Flutter's a programming language used to build mobile applications, or actually cross-platform mobile applications. Draw a GUI box, then we put it inside. So hopefully we want to put this last. So instance creation order, we definitely want it last. So hydration controller, put it somewhere there. Room editor, make sure that it's being created last. Yes, because it relies on the chat controller, main text controller, overlay. I believe that should just give us a box. Also, I believe that should... Flutter's amazing. Absolutely. I love Flutter. Flutter's like my favorite. There we go. Oh, did I set that to sharp? I didn't ask you to be sharp. So yeah, so we'll have our little hydration meter filling up there. Yeah, that works. Why are you sharp? I set you to... Is sharp the default? Oh, well. This is also... Sharp is false. If sharp, then we draw sharp. If not, we draw normal. Oh, it's too small. It's too small. What's the minimum width that we need it to be? 16 by 16 is good. SPR GUI box. What? Okay, well then I'm just going to... I got lost. Where am I? Yeah, you're false. I'll just set you to false just to make sure. Why are you sharp? What's the hydration meter for? It's for drinking. Drinking water. Yeah, see, what is your problem? Why are you... Oh, yeah, the chat does reset. Let me just check my stream time is still in sync. 52:17. Yes, it is still in sync. Perfect. Doing chat, yeah. So yeah, chat resets, people reset. Oh, right. Right. Every time I restart this, everyone's gonna get 50 shards. Well, I'm okay with that. That's fine. Economy, this is a boost. Yeah, there's no way I can... There's no way I can stop that. This will be the gift. I mean, I could change it, but that's boring. That's boring. Try GUI box, background color. Left top, sharp is false. Why are you sprites? Sharp, if not, draw the box. The box is that. Box is round. 9 slice. Is 9 slice working correctly? Yes, 9 slice is working correctly. Let's just do that to make it even better. See, because what I want is a box that's kind of like this. And then we can, like, fill it with stuff. See? Ta-da. We can, like, fill it with values based on hydration. Think something's wrong. Only way is a restart. Ah ha ha ha. We'll definitely get a restart because it's breaking. Whoa, that was weird. I don't know why that has a space there. Probably spacing issues. How do you hydrate again? By drinking. So yeah, so eventually there'll be a hydrate command. And the hydrate command will be for me to drink. And then this is a combo meter. So basically, the more you use the hydrate command, the more it fills up. I think I've set it to 20 seconds. 20 seconds, you need like 10 people or something like that. Or just get it up as possible, as high as possible. Possibly get some rewards out of it. But why? Or is it because I'm gonna have to restart this. You're just gonna get free stuff. See, it's square. Nothing in my code says that you should be square. X1, Y1, X2 minus Y1, X1, Y2 minus Y1. Left top color outline is at least the back. Okay, the background color is back. Garbage. Sharp is false. Background color. Background color. Oh, whoa. Border color. Background color. Ah. I found it. More shards. There goes the economy. There we go. So we have that. And now I really should just start. I should just use GM Live. I think GM Live's gonna mess up a bunch of my code. Reboot Gober. Okay, I've got to change that. Where's init? Like 50 is going to break the entire economy for weeks. So I'm just going to set you to 5 for now. 5, no, let's make you 10. 10 is still good. 10's good, right? 10's still good. 10 is fine. 50 is just too much. 10 is fine. We'll do 10. Just because I'll be restarting a lot. Set it to 100. Then we want to draw sprite. Let's draw. Actually, we want to draw the bar here. So this is going to be draw the box. We actually want to draw the box. Then we want to draw the bar. Then we want to draw the box again. And the alpha only affects, yes, alpha only affects the background. We want to draw the box again over it. Draw outer box, draw the bar, and then we want to draw the sprite. Draw sprite, draw sprite ext, spr water. That's not a function. I'm gonna be, yeah, shard brain, gonna be missing shard brain. Subimage 0, x, we want to be draw x1 plus draw x2 over 2. So this is going to be in the center. Y is going to be draw y2 minus, let's say, 20. X scale, let's set you to 3. Y scale 3, rotation 0, color white, alpha 1. Something like this. Ugh, I messed that up. I messed that up. Okay, is the position correct? Position's kind of in the right place. I feel like I want to -1 from -1 from here. Yeah, because we're scaling it up by 2. So I do want it to be perfectly centered. Ooh, am I going to be destroying my quota by restart? Oh, there we go. There we go. That's not really what I was looking for either. Was that kind of what I was going for? Kind of. I feel like that should be smaller though. I really feel like that should be smaller. Okay, well, while we're at it, we want to draw, before we do this, we want to, for var I equals 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus, we want to draw the lines. Kind of like a, ooh, you know what we could do? We could make this look more like a water bottle. Or we could at least make it fatter. That's what we can do. So we can actually bring u back to 2. And draw x2, draw x1 plus, let's say 48. So we just make it a bit fatter. Inspecting the hydration meter. Okay, yes. Then we do see you, Wilson. Bye. Making minuscule changes for sure. Yes, yes. Oh, draw lines. Draw set alpha. Let's make u 0.1. Draw set color white. And then we want to draw set alpha 1 again. We want to draw a line from, okay, so I actually need to define the y. Var line y equals, we want to start from draw y1. Oh, we actually need the height, so draw y2 minus draw y1. So that's the entire height of the bar divided by 10, which gives us 10 segments or something. Oh, actually, we will need 9 segments, but we need, okay, so actually we need to draw 9 times, but the width bit is going to be 10. Okay, something like that. I don't know. I think I'm doing my math correctly. Draw y1 plus that, and then that needs to be multiplied by I. And I actually needs to start at 1 and go to 10. I hope I'm doing math right, because, well, you all are hoping I'm doing it wrong, so I have to restart. But I hope I'm doing it right, so that means I don't have to restart. And thus the war begins. Line y, we want to draw line starting from x1. We want to draw it from, let's draw it from draw x2, which is the right side of the bar. Minus, I believe the bar length is actually 5. Or actually, doesn't matter. It does matter. It doesn't matter if I do this. Ha! Draw x2, and then we do draw line y. Then draw x2 minus. So if the entire width is 48, we want to come about 1/3 of the way. I'll just say about 16. 16 sounds about right. So it's kind of like, you know, the meters on a water bottle. Math issue, the init says 10. Sorry, what? The init says 10? I don't. I'm starting at 1 and then going less than 10. Yes, I believe. I'm missing the Blockling's info in the video description. Interesting. No, the Blockling's info is, it's right there. There's a worried about data collection with a link to the Google Doc. I'm not sure if that link has changed. I'm pretty sure that's there. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's still fine. Draw x2, line y2, and some. Oh, this is just line y. Something like this. Let's. Oh wait. Actually, we can draw rectangle. So let's draw set color. Let's just default to aqua right now. Draw rectangle. Can't spell. X1 is going to be from draw x. Oh no, the draw x1 plus 2 or 3. draw. We want to start it at the bottom. So the first coordinate's going to be at the bottom. Draw x1. So it's going to be draw y2 minus 3. Draw x2 minus 3, yes. And then we do 2, draw x2 minus 3. And to wherever our height is going to be, it's going to be a percentage. So it's going to be, for now, we'll just say wave from 0 to 1 every 3 seconds times the, oh, I really should have had this. I really should have used the height here. Draw y2 minus, it's actually right here, because I keep using this equation over and over and over again. The data collection is all of it, including the blocklings. Yes, data collection, well, that's kind of just the link to the everything doc. But it's specifically, well, it's if people are concerned about that type of stuff, then I explain exactly what I'm storing and what I'm not storing. I just replaced you with the same thing. Draw x2, draw height. Where else am I using you? You are draw width over 2. This is draw width as well. And this is draw height. I think because that might make this a bit cleaner. There's just a lot of parentheses right now. Draw height, I'm missing a parenthesis somewhere. What did I do wrong? That's draw, yeah, so wave, this can be the draw height times the height. And this is going to be the draw y2 minus this thing. So you start at the bottom, y2, oh, actually minus 3. And this is draw height actually is minus 6. So we start at the bottom, we go up a little, we wave up and down, and I believe our outline is false. Let's see how good my code is. Blind coding. Will it work? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Wait, how many is it? I need to screenshot this because it's moving too quickly. Bam. I did it wrong. There we go. Perfect. Now I can save that. Now I can open this. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom. I nailed that. Except I can't really see my whatever it is, my little bars with that color. So let's make you a little brighter. Let's make you like 0.5. Is the width of the bars okay? Not really. And I kind of want to make them a bit thicker as well. I kind of want to make you like 3 pixels. We want to go to like 20. We want to make in a bit more. Where'd my water go? Hello? Water? My water disappeared. Draw width. Oh, dear. Did we mess that up? Were you supposed to be... No, draw width over 2 is the average width. Draw y2 minus 20. Draw sprite water. Where'd my water icon go? Sprite water. 0. Oh, draw width over 2. That's wrong. That would be draw x1 plus draw width over 2. Okay, now let's get a good watercolor. Let's get a good watercolor. The blocklings are swimming. Ah, yes, right. We'll adjust the... I've got a region that I can adjust and update. The problem is when this does show up, blocklings that are there, I need to like get them to move, ask them to nicely move out of the way. In that case, water. I kind of like this color. This is a nice watercolor. I don't want it to be too repetitive though. So okay, so 25, 150, 252. 25, 150, 252. 25, I forgot it. 25, 150, then 252. 150, 150, 252. This is color water. Message command, yep, something like that. Where's my water controller? Here it is. Set it to that. I want it to be a bit darker. do want it to be a bit darker. So then we can replace this with the, we also only want to, if global dot combo, hydration combo time equals, no, is greater than 0. Nope, if it equals 0, we can just exit. That means it's technically always going to be there. It's just never going to be drawn. Do we even need a create event? We don't even need a create event. It's not even using any local variables. It could use, okay, actually we are going to use a create event because I do, and I'm going to actually need a step event because I do want this to be a bit fancier. We want it to like not jump. So I'm just going to do global.combo smooth dot, yeah. It's, why is it global? Nope. It's going to go combo smooth equals 0. It needs, this does need to be a global variable. Why does this need to be a global variable? Doesn't it? Or else we have to reset it here. Oh dear. I don't really want to reset it inside my functions here. The alternative is making it global. It's a smooth, oh, fine. Global.hydration meter smooth equals 0. So that means that when it ends, I can... Does it really need to be? No, it doesn't actually. Never mind, it doesn't need to be global. It'll reset itself automatically because magic. Hydration controller, combo smooth, steps. So then we do combo smooth plus equals smooth to target. The target is the global dot combo meter. No, global dot hydration meter. I'm just gonna call this meter smooth instead. So this is how I do a lot of the smooth bars in Islands of War. Variable meter smooth, smoothness, I'd say 10. Because then what we can do is we can get the bar to be, so we do meter smooth, instead of this wavy, we do meter smooth over 10. Something like that. Okay, we're going to run this. Now, it's time to test the hydrate command. And, oh, sound controller, play hydration. Oh, right. Did we change the name of that? I think we changed the name. And the problem is when it's crashed, it's black. It's black. Sound controller dot. Hello. Sound controller, play hydration. Sound controller, play hydration. Not set before reading it. Function, sound controller. Hello? Hello? Where? Where is it not set? Sound controller, play hydration, not set before reading it. On message command line 211. Message command line 211. Object sound controller dot sound controller. Am I not using the correct? Or maybe is it because it's empty? No, you can have empty functions. Does the sound controller exist? Maybe that's the problem. Did I not? I didn't put the sound controller in here. I didn't put the sound controller in here. I knew it. Well, sound controller needs to be a top priority. So we put it under the game controller. There we go. And we're not even playing a sound yet. You missed out on shards. Like, I think one person got a shard. I think you got a shard. Okay, here we go. We're back. Hydrate. Will the bar show up? It did. Okay, keep going, keep going. And actually, you can break... Oh, new shop. Yes, new shop, whatever. If you keep going, we can actually break the bar. Since I haven't set a limit on the bar, we can just... Boom. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice. Nice. Oh, you can actually do it multiple times. Oh, dear, I see a spam of hydrates coming in. Okay, I don't know why it's only going... I don't know know what happened. Chat's still polling. I didn't put a limit per person. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did not put a limit per person. How many times you can do it? Yeah, they're why is it not every time you do it, it should go up. Okay, time to oh, I know why. We ran out of time. Right? There's a combo time. There's a certain amount of time that has to be. There's a certain amount of so once the first person starts it, there's a certain amount of time that you have to so we need a timer of some sort. Where am I putting that timer though? I mean, I'm thinking we could. I don't really want a second bar on top of it. Yeah, we need to show the timer somehow. And then we need it to have like an automatic timeout to where it disappears and resets itself. So, Where do we put the timer? Where do we put the timer? I'm just gonna fix some stuff while I try to figure out where I'm putting the timer. Sound controller, hydration controller. We want the bars that separate the water levels are yeah, exactly. There's some stuff that needs to be fixed. Draw y2 minus, I want you to be a bit higher. Draw x2 minus, draw x2 minus 2. So something like that. But where do we put the timer? Translucent overlaid bar? That goes down. Yeah, so yeah, the timer definitely needs to be on here somehow. So yeah, we could do an overlay. I'm just worried that it won't be obvious enough. I'm thinking, could we do something with... Ooh, okay. We could do something. We could do something with the water droplet. We could change the water droplet to be scaled down vertically, have a little clock above it. The bar gets more opaque and redder. We could have the water droplet. I was thinking we have a red overlay on top of the water droplet that goes up slowly. And then when it's red, I don't know. I do like the idea of something going down. We could just move the water droplet. We could move the water droplet. Does that make sense? The water droplet goes down, and then once it hits the bottom, time's up? Or does the water droplet go up, and then once it hits the top, time's up? I'm thinking we move the water droplet. We should definitely move the water droplet. I think we move the water droplet up. Draw the box, draw water, var water y equals, so we need it to be starting from, so same equation as draw height minus 48, since we're subtracting 24 from the top and the bottom, and then we are dividing this by water droplet goes down. You know what we can do? You know what we can do? We can do this. Bam. We have polls. Yeah, polls is another thing. So I apparently leveled up to whatever it was. It was a monetization thing. So actually, like, I could show ads on stream. Actually, am I showing ads on stream? I don't think I've enabled it. I do not think of any, but down at 80%. So now we have polls. So polls are kind of like predictions, except you don't get rewards from it. So, yeah, okay, it looks like water droplet. How many people? I can't see how many people. Look here, 5 votes, 80% down. Please don't show ads. Exactly, yeah. Mid-stream ads are the worst. Pre-stream ads, I don't know. I'd rather not have ads. I'm okay not having ads. I'm not really streaming to make money to begin with, right? I'm streaming for fun. And then if people, does the API have any poll things? I don't know. Okay, yeah, you're right. If I could just integrate directly with the API, we could do something. We could do something, and I could set like a standard bet for every person. See, so water drop thing is you can't change like how much you want to bet and stuff. That's like what Twitch does well, is you can like go all in to your 30k channel points. So water wise, so it looks like down is the, if I end the poll, yeah, it looks like down is the thing. Small bug, spaces after commas don't register in the chat overlay box. I noticed that, and I don't know why. I know for the inventory commands, I don't have commas, but it's strange. I removed the spaces. Just have it so you can see a number after you vote to optionally bid. I don't know, it depends on how much defaults to minimum. True. I mean, yeah, could work. So we're making it go down now. So that means we start at draw y1, and then we add this times the global dot hydration combo time, and the combo time is stationary. The current time is going to be counting upwards. So we want to do the current time. Wait, the current time, the hydration time is always going to be greater. So we do the greater one minus the smaller one. Greater one minus the smaller one, and this number is going to go down. Yes, that's literally how my brain works. Times that, and then we want to put you at water y. Where is my draw x, draw y? Where's my draw y? Hello, draw y, subimage x. Oh, here's y. Something. Blocklings can overlap. Yeah, blocklings can overlap. They don't really have hitboxes. They just kind of run into each other. Okay, let's try hydrate again. And the moment I start it, where's my thing? Huh? Hello. Where is my thing? The rainbow is me. Where did my... Oh, I must have done this math very wrong. Draw y1 plus... there's only one way to fix this. Is my combo time not being set correctly? Okay, for the sake of this, 20 seconds, we're going to make... It seems like 20 seconds isn't long enough. So combo time max. I don't think I'm setting up the combo time correctly. Like the time limit. Because, yeah, I don't think I'm setting it up correctly. Let me check my math here. Q, enter. Am I in the right? No, wrong spot. I need to be in message commands. So the combo time equals the current time. So this is the ending time plus the hydration. Yeah. The cooldown, whatever. We will deal with the cooldown another time. We can deal with the cooldown after this. Every time it restarts, it resets the shot. Yeah, it does. Hydration cooldown, hydration combo time is the current time. Yes, plus that. Okay, so then what we want to do is we want to ensure... I'm just going to print. I'm just going to print. Yep, draw y1. So we're going to print. Oh, actually, oh dear, oh. It should actually be this divided by the hydration combo time max, because we need it to be a percentage, right? So we need to get the difference over the percentage. And then that should be 1 if we set hydration, if we set the current time to, no, sorry, if we set the hydration to current time plus this, that should be 1. That should be 1. Okay, so get ready to spam hydrate. Did I mess? There we go. There we go. Oh, it's going up though. It's going. Well, I mean, I never actually. I didn't specify a limit. So. And then, okay, the thing is, once it's getting rate limited, it's breaking the. Yeah, it broke it. Wait, what? Hello? My timer? Why is my timer still going? My timer's flying. This has got to be the best way. YouTube's gonna love this stream. Because this stream has got, like, so much engagement. They're like, oh my goodness, people are chatting. Oh, wow, we should promote this stream. Because people are interacting with it. That means it must be interesting. Nope. People are just spamming chat. Yeah, my timer's evaporating. I wanted you to go down. It went up. Unless there's something very wrong with my... Maybe... Huh? Time to print. Draw height minus 48. That's how far we want to go. Is my... Oh, right. Right. Okay, so the reason this is still going up is because time doesn't stop. So we need to cap it. We need to cap maximum, minimum. Minimum of the current time. And this. Oh dear, this is a giant mess. Like, what is that? What is that? But that should work. But we want it to go down. Why is it going up? Okay, then maybe we just switch this around. Oh wait, no. Wait. Yeah, did we want it to go up or down? I forgot. What did the poll say? Poll said, I don't remember what the poll said. Hello, give me my poll results somewhere. Pretty sure we said we wanted it to go down. I'm pretty sure, yeah, we wanted it to go down. Yes, right. It was wrong. So, meaning we do want to add this. Draw height minus 48 times, so in that case, we will just reverse this and hope that that solves our problem. Because that's always worked, right? Okay, here we go. So now our timer shouldn't break. So the first time someone hydrates, which I just did. I mean, it's not raw. It's going down. I'll give it that. Okay, could you actually slow it with the hydrates? Because I want to see when the timer hits 0, wherever 0 is. I want to actually see if you can keep hydrating. So just wait a bit. Oh, it stopped. It stopped. How do the eyes work on the dog? You don't get eyes. It automatically sets your eyes, by the way. Okay, so it's, yeah, just mispositioned. This should be Y2. So actually, so this number is coming down, which means we want to start at the bottom and then At 1, it will be adding the full length, and then as the time goes down, it will drop to 0, which is great. The question is, okay, yeah, so the next thing is, we want it to be unique. We want it to be 1 per person, which means I actually need an array. No breakpoint, no breakpoint. Yeah, we want it to be 1 per person. So I am going to see. I really need a function for this. This is a dumb function. This is not how I wanted to be doing this. Like this right here. Or okay, we don't need a function. We just need a how do I want to do this? Because I don't want to. I'll just copy code right now. We can clean it up after the stream. Make more sense. We want to global. Oh right, we need a global variable for this. Global dot hydration users equals mid. Then I also need a way to end it, which means we probably need an alarm somewhere. Array push global dot hydration users. We want to push your user ID or your user object. Let's just push your user ID. Okay, push your user ID. That means we want to, okay, so first we're going to check. See, I don't like this. I don't like this. This isn't very nice. How do I want to do this? This is the first time we're doing it. You can start a hydrate. Hydration meter. Okay, so if it hasn't been started, technically the array is going to be empty, so we're fine. So we're just going to check for that the array does not contain your user ID. So now you can only do it once. Yeah, so the first time, so now we are going to, we really should actually just use an alarm. I really should just use an alarm because we need to do something at the end of this. Oh, I don't want to change this to alarm. You can't see the full extent of the brokenness. Yeah, there's the full extent of the brokenness. There is the full extent of the brokenness. I think after 10, it stops. After 10, it stops. So, unfortunately, I think I want to change. This really should be in the hydration controller. Really, the control should be in the hydration controller. Add event, alarm. I'm gonna create an alarm here. We're gonna move away from a time system. We're gonna go to an alarm system. But I need to use the bathroom real quick. I've been drinking a lot of water with all this hydrate. I will be back soon. If I can figure Streamlabs to show the shop again. Where's the shop? Where is my shop? Game Maker overlay. Where's my shop? Ah, here we go. There's the shop. Maybe we just keep the music on. I think we can keep the music on. Where's my camera again? I lost my camera. Camera. Nope. 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 There's the camera. There we go. Do a 1K shard drop so you can get the dog. There's actually a few 1K ones. There's the dog, there's a cat, there's a snake, there's which one was it? Play Mario Galaxy music. I would, but copyright. So probably can't. Yep. So just sticking with no copyright music, which yeah. There we go. 500 is the jumpy. Yeah, I have the cannon equipped. I've got the rainbow cannon, man. Right. So yes. So as I was thinking, so I think we do alarm 0 is going to be our combo, our timer for when it starts. We also want another event. Combo timer. I do want another event. Alarm 0. Actually, let's make this alarm 1. This is the current combo time. So basically, every time as hydrations are coming in, it's game music. You can stream because people stream games. That's true. Well, I'll change. I'll figure out a better music. So yeah, the other thing I want the overlay to do is I want the overlay to be able to get music, which is going to be interesting. Either fetch music from online or literally have a giant repository of music. And so yeah, then the last thing is I do want to move over to, instead of having other people's music, just make my own music and just run my own. So alarms are basically, so what alarms do is you set an alarm to a certain value and they all will automatically decrement in value until they hit 0. When it hits 0, it will run whatever code is inside the alarm, and then it will be set to -1. So that's alarms, and that's why it can be useful sometimes. So, I want 2 alarms. I want a timer, I want a delay, and I want a destroy. So the destroy is after it's finished. So after the combo timer is finished, we want to set alarm 1 equals alarm 2 equals 60, which is 60 frames per second. How many seconds? We want to destroy it in 30 seconds. And then, okay, so we'll do that. We want a function, combo start. Wait, I'll actually just call this function combo add. And that way we can actually remove the use of global variables. Actually, I'm going to transition everything into moving it into, so like steps in an object. Kind of, but steps run every step. Alarms automatically decrement. They run only when it hits 0. Yes, so we're going to do hydration combo add. And I'm going to have a user ID specified in here. So everything is now going to be moved from global into local. So I'm just going to cut you. So this is probably going to take a while just to transfer, but this will be better. This will be better because we can do more stuff. I mean, there's no difference. Meter equals 0. Timer equals 0. Actually, no, timer is set by alarm 0 now, so we don't need that. Oh, wait, yeah, right. We also can have a... Ooh, yeah, we can also have a add event alarm 3 for the cooldown. So alarm 3 is going to be yes, then we get rid of that, and we just have the meter smooth, and then we also want a meter current. Yes, people can stand on the hydration bar. This can fix that. This, or at least moving it over to this, is going to fix that. So hydrates, we are just going to object hydration controller dot hydration combo add, and then just supplement the user ID. So it's always going to do that. And then this code is going to go that way. I generally like this message commands to be clean. Clean looks at the other commands. Recently it's been clean. See, look, the outfit, the clip, fairly clean, fairly straightforward. And then we can hydration. Oh, right, we have users. Also, is their name rendering under the bar? I don't know. Oh, yes. So hydration combo add. So we have. Oops, what happened to my script? Did it just get. Did it just go away? Where'd it go? Guess I have to recopy it from here because I accidentally cut it out and then deleted my cut. And then overrode my cut. So yes, so we want to rewrite this. It's going to be if alarm 3 equals -1, which means that it's available, and meter equals 0. Yes. So this means can start hydration combo and yes, can start hydration combo. If meter is greater than 0, yes, then we do that. Then we do something else. So we are going to set alarm max 0 equals. Do I want to do it that way? Nah, I'm just going to set it to combo time equals 60 frames a second times 30 seconds. 30 seconds was a lot. Let's just do 20 seconds. Your message got held review demo. Oh my god, what on earth what happened here? What did you all do? What's going on? Is the hash sign a new line? Okay, I really actually want to see what that comes up as. Oh, okay. Strange. Looks like that's the case. Which probably means I should clean it. See, I'm using an external library for this. I'm using TS something. Where is it? I'm using a text drawing. And it's automatically handling a bunch of stuff. For better or, in this case, worse, since I have not validated or sanitized any of the inputs. So, there goes chat. Did not think of that case. Okay, so alarm 3, and we're going to set alarm 1 equals alarm 1. So if alarm 0 is greater than 0, and should we just do if alarm 0 is greater than 0? So it's mostly, a lot of this logic is going to be based on when things are happening. So this alarm 0 is going to equal combo time. Right. If alarm 0 is greater than 0, then we are going to... Oh, right. So actually that will trigger into this. So now we don't need to do multiple things. So meter plus plus, we can play the sound, which is awesome. And we can array push. See, this is much, much cleaner. Array push into users. And we want the user ID. Yeah, that works so much. Oh yes, and we want to check if not array contains or whatever. Array push. Hello, Nugget. And not array contains users, user ID. So next thing we want to do is meter current. And what we want to do here is step. We actually want this to be meter smooth goes towards the meter current. So, okay, so one thing I noticed, because hydration only, because our chat only polls every 2 seconds, sometimes you can have like a bunch of hydration messages that will come in simultaneously and it'll instantly jump up. What I want to do is I want to manually delay it and I want to manually increase it. So that's what meter current comes in. So, so we're going to do if alarm 1, so that's the current combo delay, equals -1. So I'm going to do current combo delay. So hopefully that will space. Yeah, it doesn't exactly queue it. It internally, it already processes it, but it queues it so that the sound effects can be delayed. The visuals can also be delayed as well. It's basically queuing it. If alarm1 equals 1 and meter current is less than the meter, right? Yes, is less than the meter. So actually I want to arrange this like this. So meter, so the meter current's based off the meter and the meter smooth is based off the meter current. So we're going to meter current plus alarm 1 equals, let's give it a delay of 1/3 of a second. So then that does that. What else am I missing? We've done, okay, so we've started the combo. So then once combo ends, we set alarm 2 equals that. So then once this is done, then we are going to go ahead and die. Yes, we are going to go ahead and disappear. Destroy. What's alarm 3? What was hydrate? Oh, yes. So, yes, we're going to set alarm 3 equals... So, hydrate cooldown equals 60 seconds times... No, sorry, 60 frames per second times 60 frames per second times 10 minutes? Yeah, times 10 minutes. So, hydrate cooldown... so after we destroy this, alarm 3 equals hydrate cooldown. Yes, so which means you can't trigger a new hydration. Wow, you guys are really going wild with the chat. What have you found? Actually, am I even using TS Straw? I don't think I'm using TS Straw. Actually, I am using TS Straw. Ah, yes, I am using TS Straw. There we go. Draw text special. Now I could just revert that. You're gonna have to read the doc for what you missed about the whole stream. There wasn't too much. Basically, we've just been working on a hydration command. What's new? Layout's new. Blocklings are blocklings. New clip command, which I don't think anybody's used yet, except me, to demonstrate it. And what else did we do? I think that's about it. Let me go through my logic. Combo 1, yes, you don't have any logic there. Oh, yes, now we need to change the drawing of it. So, if alarm 1 is... No, if alarm 0 equals -1 and alarm 2 equals -1, then we don't draw anything. Draw the box. Meter smooth is still correct. Now this logic is going to be all messed up because we are no longer using hydration, no longer using any of these variables. Are we? Yeah, no, we're not using these variables anymore. Should I macro them? Oh my goodness, chat's going. You know, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. See, YouTube likes it. YouTube likes this stuff. Even though YouTube's gonna be questioning, the amounts of messages that are being held for review right now are absolutely incredible. And actually, it seems to hold a lot of spam in review. Yep, basically. If it didn't show up, it got help in review. So this entire equation is all messed up. Divided by hydration. It's not hydration, it's called combo time. Combo time's the maximum time. And I believe we can just simply, oh wow, this actually simplifies into alarm 0 over combo time. That's better. Let's see what I forgot to change by running the code. Okay, time to hydrate. Did it work? Okay, it worked. My bar is gone. My thing coming down is not there. So I see I hydrated, demo, human, Isaac. It seems like it's ignoring spam, which is nice. Wilson, so that's 5. I think Nugget, no, wait, someone else 6. There's someone else like, oh, gear. Oh, so it is going up. Wait, where did you come from? Oh, so that means it's over. So actually, I think, so alarm 0, alarm 0 is counting down. So this should be draw Y1. So earlier we were counting up. Let's try this again. And the bar should be accurately going up. Oh, okay, yeah, that kind of works. Oh, actually, I like it going. You guys actually wanted it going down, didn't you? You guys wanted it going down. I think going up shows it better, because you're racing with it. It feels like a race. It does feel like a race. I think I like that better. And we messed up the offset there, but that should be fine. Yeah, okay, that works. Now, now it's time to do other stuff. Okay, now we need to play the sound. It seems like it was working okay. We need to play the sounds, and this is going to require to get the sound timings just perfect. And to do that, I think what I will do... Okay, what I want to do is I want to analyze these. Okay, so open with Audacity. So I'm going to open all my audio files, and I want to remove this so that it immediately... So yeah, here's the sound effect that might play. That was really soft for some reason. Or maybe it's just because my sound coming out is soft. Was that actually okay? Oh, you know what? Let's get me music. Let's do this.
Hydrate. Hydrate.
Oh yeah. What do you guys think of that? You have no idea what's happening. And it doesn't work a second time. Yes. Oh wait, I missed it. Did everything work? Did it just disappear after a certain time? I wasn't paying attention to that. Yeah, it worked. It seems like it worked perfect. Okay, it didn't completely reset, so things are gonna break in 10 minutes. But I want to export as a wave. Hydrate 1, save. Yes, we're gonna replace you. Unfortunately, I need to do this for all of these. Oh, it won't even let me open more than one at a time. I need to clean up the... Okay, that's good. Hydrate 2 is good. Open with Audacity. Hydrate 3. What I want this... That looks reasonable. No. File, export as a wave. Save, yes. Hydrate 4. I want to remove the amount of space at the start so that it all starts at the same time. That way, if I play with the timings in GameMaker, it's all at least synced up to exactly the same time when the audio comes in, and I won't get variance within my, I won't get a lot of variance. I can't see chat. What does Hydrate even do? It just starts a bar, a combo bar, and then I drink water. It's a thing that people do apparently. Hydrate 6 is fine, but we can make it fun because it's my live stream. That looks okay. Hydrate 8, open with Audacity. You can be gotten rid of. 0.5 seconds is like 2 frames. That's going to mess things up. Hydrate 8. Open with Audacity. Low chance for an unlucky dehydrate bar. JWix has to consume a spoon of salt if it fills. Oh ho ho. Oh, now that's salty. That would make me salty if it did fill up. Maybe if you got to 20. The thing is, with the bar, with the hydrate bar, we need 10 people in order to hit 10. Like, you need 10 people on the stream. Right now, there's only 5 concurrent viewers. So we're never hitting 10. So this is kind of a group participation thing. And I can always change it. I can always change it to like 1, 2, 5. Also, I never fixed it. I never actually capped this. So actually, we need to end it if you hit the cap. Create. If meter equals 10, we need to alarm 0 equals 1 equals 0 equals 1. That should instantly stop it. Alarm 0 equals, no, we want it to be 0. So that way, if you do 2 hydration combos in the same frame, right, it processes 2 messages at the same time. Alarm 0 equals 0, meaning this can't trigger, meaning, ooh, unfortunately, actually, we need to do this to be 1, and you need to be greater than 1. Because if I set it to 0 myself, this combo timer will not trigger. I do not want to have to manually do that. You can't find my string rendering. I couldn't find it either. I imported this a long time ago. I have no idea where I got it from. Like, I opened my marketplace, my library. It's not here, unless it's ATEX. Is it ATEX? Oh, I found, wow, I just found it in like a second. It's called ATEX by Vishinya Games. I did not properly read through it. Well, I just found it. So yeah, but, so it's ATEX. And apparently you can do like effects like shake. I don't know. I wanted to try it here so that we can eventually bring it over to Islands of War. And then we can do cool effects maybe. This it would be for dialogue or whenever I do that. Hydrate cooldown. So when I destroy you, I want to make sure everything gets cleared correctly. And I'm going to reset you. Reset variables. Reset meter. Oh yeah, that is so yeah, that's true. I'm not exactly cleaning my so if you compile together all of the things that I need to fix, all of the messages that I need to filter out, or the what do you call it? The special characters they need to fill out from new messages. Filter out from incoming messages. I need to filter so that if you set the hydration goal to viewer count over 2, it will always, well, okay, the thing is, I was thinking it's, as long as someone presses hydrate, it will always show up. If alarm 0, okay, so this is if, okay, so we are actually going to do this. So if you can draw, so if hydration is available, there will be a little icon right where the hydrate bar should be as pure water. This should be, oh, we actually want to put this here above that. So initialize it before. if alarm, draw x1 plus draw width over 2 instead of water y, this becomes draw y2 minus 24. I believe that would be correct. And we still haven't played with sound effects, but I want to make sure that this is okay. That was not okay. If alarm 0 is minus 1. Oh. Right. So yeah, so see, there's a little thing. That means that you can hydrate, that we can actually start the hydration. So then, when we hydrate, there we go. It begins it. 3. So yeah, so I think the moment anyone puts in a hydrate, it always gives out. It always gives I'm always gonna take a chug. The question is, how far can you get it? How quickly can you get it? So yeah, then yeah, there we go. Now for the effects. There we go. Plus 10 to everyone. Okay, so here's what I think we'll do. The first person to initiate the hydrate has to pay. Just the first person. But if you hit 10, everybody gets something. Now it won't be a lot. So I'm thinking the first person pays 50. Then once we get to, if it gets to 10, everybody gets 20. 25. Everybody gets 25. How about that? Or we could even have a reward meter. We could have a reward meter. Yeah, actually, let's do a reward meter. Rewards equals. So the first one is 0. It's never 0. This would be at combo 1, at combo 2, at combo 3, at combo 4, at combo 5. Maybe we give everyone 5. Everyone who participated. At combo 6, at combo 7, at combo 8, combo 9, at combo 10. Something like that. 0 through 10. So wherever it ends, you can coordinate to exploit. Actually, now I'm realizing being able to have chat put in code. This is literally my own version of log4j. You can literally make it do anything. Can you even... Okay, if you manage to escape out of the string, then I've got a problem, and then I'm done for. Ooh, who's the little dark floating block? It's cute. Yes, you can 100% exploit this. Every time the hydrate limit is reached, the reward gets bigger, starting at 25. That could be interesting. That could be interesting. 5, 10. That could. Let's. I kind of like that. I like that. Oh, okay, I'm gonna put an initial cost at 50. So you gotta buy in. And let's not have an initial cost right now or let's not implement it because we still need to test out sounds. Okay, now for sounds. Sound controller. Sound controller dot play hydration. Sound controller. Play hydration. Audio. So I want to actually open up my horn, my hydrate, and my effect. And I want to see how well these line up. So here's my effect. Here's my horn. Here's my hydrate. So I want to see how well all of these line up so that we can at least get something decent. So my horn has a huge space in front of it, which is annoying. Or actually, we can just change the... Yeah, why is my horn in my effect? Oh, I'm opening horn.mp3. Oops, let's not open horn.mp3. Actually, wait, let's cancel that. Where's my horn? Did I not horn hydrate effect? It's an mp3 for some reason. Okay. Interesting. So let me cut this off. Hydrate meter seems to be gone. Hydrate meter? Well, I mean, is it hydrating? Why is it not? I mean, Jaywick's trying to code while chat's actively trying to hack him. Yeah. Yeah. Why is my hydrate meter gone? If alarms, I mean, this is the same code. Were you hydrating? I mean, it says we can hydrate, so if we hydrate, does it work? It didn't start the timer. Oh, wait, I did this wrong. This should be, so if this is alarm 2 is -1, this should be if alarm 3 is greater than 0. And then, actually, I need to still copy this. Oh, if alarm 3 is equals -1. Yes. And then we're still doing if this, we want to exit. Yes. There we go. So is there a case where we are not... Yes, there is a case where we're not drawing anything. And that case is when we're on a cooldown. So when alarm 3 is greater than 0. Yep. That works. Is that water icon too big? Nah, it's fine. Make it less obvious. Actually, 0.4 was fine. 0.4 was fine. Okay, now I want to play with sounds. Sound controller, right. Hydrate effect. Hydrate 1. Epic horn. I'm going to paste everything into the hydrate effect. Oh, wait, what? I pasted into hydrate 1. So I have hydrate 1. So I now need the effect. Close you. No. So just off the bat, this is what it would sound like. Yeah. Not good. Not what I wanted. So what we need to do is we need to bring down the horn, make the horn start sooner, the effect start sooner, and bring that down as well.
Hydrate.
Okay, I think we gotta have either the horn or we can't have both. We can't have both this
Hydrate.
and we can't have we can't have both of them. So we either have the horn.
Hydrate.
I think we get rid of the horn. Yeah, I'm sorry. Horn was nice. We will use the horn maybe another time. Because I do want it to add an explosion noise. Reach my hydrate effect. Open with audacity. I want to make sure you are nice and trimmed. Yeah, nice and trimmed. And we want to put in little fade in. Fade in. Maybe a bit more of a fade in. That was too much fade in. Maybe like that. Perfect. Export this as a wave to hydrate effect. Yes, you exist. Replace you. Don't save you. Hydrate effect. I'm going to choose my effect. Where is it? Use the generic explosion sound in Delta Rune. Because what I want is, Okay, how does it sound with the first one?
Hydrate.
Okay, that's okay. Because what we can do is we can pitch it. We can pitch it. I think that will sound good together. Sound controller. Audio. Oh. Combo. Audio. Play. Sound. We want to play sound. Ooh. Asset. Get. Index. Asset get. Index, yeah. From S&D hydrate. Underscore. Plus the string of the combo. So that will play the correct sound. We also want to audio play sound. Audio pitch. How do I pitch? Audio sound. Set pitch. Set pitch. What does that do? See, I need to be careful about which one returns which one. So audio sound set pitch does not return anything. So we want to put it on the outside because audio play sound does return something. This is going to be sound, hydrate effect, priority 1, false. I don't think I put you correctly. Priority 1, false, no looping. And that we are going to pitch you 1 plus combo over 20. Okay, guys, get ready. We have hydration noises. So little bubble there means we're good to go. Garbage. Ah, I messed something up. Instantly crashes the moment someone hit hydrate. Object sound controller create. Line 9. It did not like this very much. Why did you not like that a lot? Undefined value. Do div. What? Oh, yeah, of course. I didn't supply a value in my mess. Where's my mess? Step create. Play. This is going to be interesting. We're not actually going to play the sound here. We're not actually playing a sound. We're playing the sound here. Right there. And this is meter current. Now let's try this. Drinks too hard and dies sudden. Well, I die with water. Let's try this now.
Double hydrate.
Oh!
Triple hydrate.
Oh! Oh! I like this! Except it's not showing. It's sad.
Quad hydrate.
Oh! See?
Pentahydrate.
Oh, yeah! That's epic. That is epic. That is epic. For some reason, it's not showing the time. So, okay, it's still being shown. That's funny. Oh, wait. Why is it still being shown? Why? It shouldn't be. If alarm 3 is -1. I think I need to just print all my alarms. Print alarm 0. Did you like those sound effects? Isn't pentahydrate a chemical? And I don't know. I didn't do well in chemistry. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try this again. Out of breath hydrate. Fancy, right? Okay, they're all -1 right now. So once someone puts in a hydrate.
Double hydrate.
Yep, so we have the countdown timer going, which is exactly what we want.
Triple hydrate.
Yep.
Quad hydrate.
Yep.
Pentahydrate.
Okay. And then once this hits 0, or -1,
Superhydrate.
okay, that worked. I'm just not sure why it's not showing now. Got a superhydrate though. I think 20 seconds is perfect. So that's the timer for it to keep showing, and then it should go away right about now. And then, yeah, so when it hits 0, if it doesn't hit the goal, it should make the sound of an DY. Well, the goal is not to the goal is not to actually hit 10. 10 is the ultra. 10 is the ultra goal. Can you hear Satchwig? No. I think I might have my order wrong. Wait. If alarm 3 is -1, oh, we're exiting. Oh, I see. I see. Oh, that's a problem. See, if alarm 3, so if it's -1, then we want to draw this. If it's, is this better? Is this better? Is this what it should be? I feel like I'm still missing something. I need to sit down and just logic this. So if it's not running, there we go. I think this works. Let's try this again. Dehydrate. Oh, no, this does not work because it's not showing up. So I'm just going to stop it. If alarm 3 is -1 and... Yeah, wait, if alarm 3 is -1 and alarm 0 is -1 and alarm 2 is -1. So wait, then shouldn't that just be this? If this, exit. If this, draw that. Is that the... I think that's the correct logic. Here it comes. Here it comes. You got 999 shards. There we go. So it's showing up, which is great. Now if we start a hydrate.
Hydrate.
There we go.
Double hydrate.
Yeah.
Quad hydrate. Pentahydrate.
I like this.
Superhydrate. Mega hydrate.
Oh, giga. Oh, carbohydrate. Yeah, yes, we totally should. We should do that. I should add one. As the stream gets more and more viewers, we can always add. We can add more. So then it should disappear after some time. It should disappear somewhere. Dodecahexahydrate. Hydrazine. Oh. Perfect. So after that happens, we actually... So when we first start, we want to update the Blockling. We want to change the Blockling controller. So if the Blockling's area is not main, we want to check if this should be how do I want to do this? I'm just going to put it here. If object hydration controller dot meter is greater than 0, then we want to add, what was our width? Our width was 48. So we want to do that. And I guess when we update the dimensions of this, I need to persuade all of my blocklings to move, I guess. So I'm going to say persuasion equals false as a default. This should just be a normal. This doesn't have to be underscored. If persuasion, that way I can update you, and because sometimes I'm updating the dimensions, but I'm just go ahead and teleport them all anyway. Object blockling. So we're going to do with object blockling. If we want to check if x, if not point in rectangle, make sure you check if you're not in it. If not point in rectangle, x, y, global dot. Just force all the blocklings to go to random space. Like, I could just teleport everyone, but I'd rather, yeah, I'm forcing you to move out of the way. I'm updating your coordinates in a nice way instead of just dropping you. Global dot blockling Rome y1. This is this bigger x2, y2, and we are going to copy some code from the blockling. Step if mode equals walk. See, there's a random chance that you'll just sit. There's a random chance that you will just sit. Oh, you know what we could do? We could just do. We could just clamp your coordinates. And so instead of persuading you, I'm just gonna squeeze you. X equals clamp x between x1 and x2. Y equals clamp y between y1 and y2. Yeah, so that should work. And then you should stay out of there. They should just stay out of there. But we need to update you so that when you start, user event 0, no, this is Blockling. Where are we? We want the hydration controller. So when we start, alarm 0, object, Blockling controller, dot update dimensions. Oh, I need to actually put it here. If meter equals 1. Because it's based off of the meter. Okay, update dimensions should be then based off of the combo time, which is alarm 0. Where is my Blockling controller? Update dimensions. Update dimensions. If dot alarm 0 is greater than or equal to 0. That means that then we update the dimensions of, and we want to persuade you, yes, to move. Perfect. Bar fills up, then breaks, and all the blocklings die. Interesting. We could flood the place. Yeah, we could flood the place. Wow, everyone has earned a lot of crystals. I don't remember people hitting 870 before. Shards. Does text after this still work? I don't think so. Why can't you rehydrate? Oh, like right now? Hydrate doesn't work because it's on a cooldown. I believe it's a 10-minute cooldown. What we could do is we could do this. If alarm 3 is not -1, else, that means it is, well, if it is -1, we can do this 0.1, and then we can draw sprite ext, draw sprite part ext. So subimage left is going to be 0. Top is going to be, oh, here's where a bunch more math comes in. Top is going to be alarm 3. I'm actually just going to create a variable. Var % equals alarm 3 over the hydration cooldown. Hydrate cooldown. Okay, %. So where are we? Subimage left is still 0. Top is the percent, which is going downwards. So if percent is getting smaller, I want the top to get bigger. So this is 1 minus percent times 16. The width is going to be 16. The height is going to be, so we want to start the top. Yes, this is also similar, I want to say. Similar? Is it similar? Width. Oh, wait. Width, height. Yes. X, Y. I'm still missing an argument. X scale, Y scale. Color. There's no rotation. Color alpha is going to be 0.4. Something like that. Actually, alpha could be 0.3. And you could be 0.5. And you could be 0.2. Okay. So let me make sure my math is correct. At the left, we're going to draw from the left. The top, I want to start at the bottom. So 1 minus percent times 16. As percent goes down, it'll go up. The height is actually going to be percent times 16. It's actually the other way around. There we go. Shard drop time. Yep. So that works. And then after we hydrate.
Hydrate. Double hydrate. Triple hydrate. Quad hydrate. Super hydrate.
Oh dear.
Mega hydrate.
Streamlabs, I don't know if you can still hear me, but Streamlabs broke. Your stream is still recording. Whenever you're ready, click OK to end your stream. What? So then maybe I'll just ignore you. And it's a pop. I can't get rid of it. It's always here. Okay, well, I mean, it's just Streamlabs. This is Streamlabs thing. Streamlabs is like, but I mean, we can still do stuff. And actually, this looks like this is incorrect. Draw x1 minus 1. Draw x2 minus. Draw y2 minus 24 plus. Draw. Wait, what? Why am I drawing it? Everyone draw at the top left. So draw x1 minus 1. Draw y2. What was that previously? Plus draw width over 2. The draw width was x2 minus x1, which is 48. Draw width was 48, so we're taking off 48. So this should be just 32. I don't know anymore. I didn't like that. Let's just do that. Oh well. What's next? A force Windows update? I mean, I can still run the stream. It's not that bad. So we can try Hydrate again.
Hydrate. Double hydrate.
Yeah, we just can't.
Triple hydrate.
I need to increase the delay between
Hydrate.
the hydrates. Create step. Let's make this 1 second. Okay, so that worked. And then once this is done, what's the most expensive price? 1,000. 1,000 is the max it goes. So congratulations, you can now buy anything you want. Hydrate more. I'm still hydrating. Okay, I'm waiting for this to disappear. And I still messed it up. I messed it up really badly. I'm giving up. I'm gonna do this later. I'm just gonna comment this out. Or I'm just gonna put a to-do. Where's my to-do? Draw GUI. To-do. This is wrong. Drawing not correct. Too far down. Yeah. Something like that. Okay. That was Hydrate. Well, I'm not sure what, I think that's everything for Hydrate. Oh, yes. We wanted it to cost something. We want it to cost something. And we want to send a message. So we want we're only going to start it if, how do I get the user object? Since I'm only given a user ID, I think it's global.online. I'm just going to get the user object. Var user equals global.user object. User, online users, I believe. Online users, I just get the user ID. If user dot money is greater than initial cost, then we just user dot money minus equals initial cost. I think that's all I have to do to update money. I also want to user dot money previous equals initial cost. Oh wait, no, minus equals initial cost. Something to do with how things are calculated. I gotta subtract it from the previous money as well. Then we want to oh wait, no, whoa. We want to put this here. We can't start. It would have just been free. Basically, if you don't have the money, it's just like, oh well, oops. Let's put this at the start. Handle all the user stuff at the start. Then we want to greater than or equal to. Thank you. Yes, it's a bug at Islands of Forth. It's been around forever. If user.money is greater than. We want to subtract it from your money. We also want to new message. I'm going to create a new message from the user. Is that a user? Or I guess it's a user. Text. Let's do user.username has started a hydrate combo. Something like that. And we do want that to be a system message. Yeah, let's make that a system message. Negative shard speedruns. Okay, I think we'll do this. Then, once we end, what we can do is we need to iterate through. So once the combo timer is up, I believe, yeah, that's right, alarm 2, yes, destroy. We want to for var I equals 0, I is less than amount, var amount equals array length of the users, and we're going to iterate through all of our users, and we are going to first do user.money. Actually, we want to check first. If the meter, if the rewards, did I call it rewards? I called it rewards. Rewards meter, actually, I want to do this. Var bonus reward, most expensive output, yeah, 2650, nice math. If bonus rewards equals the rewards meter. If the rewards are greater than 0, then we are going to add it, because it doesn't make sense if we add it otherwise. Yes, let's do system messages. Then we do user dot money plus equals bonus rewards user dot money previous plus equals bonus rewards. Yeah, so the reason I have to keep iterating, I keep adding the money as well as the money previous. Money previous is when you send a message for the first time, I calculate what's the difference, how much money have you gained additionally, and that's due to the just like the activity, just by sending messages. So I have to keep making sure that that bonus is only coming from the bonus messages and not from anything else. So everything else just has to iterate. It has to add through both of them. Then we're going to new message. Oh, I didn't queue the previous message, so that's never going to spawn. Dot queue. Variable initial cost reference. Unassigned variable. I literally assigned it right here. Initial cost. Am I spelling it wrong? I spelled it wrong. Initial cost. Yes, I can spell. I can very much spell. 2 colors, since you can have colors for skin and eyes. Oh, yeah, that is expensive. So eventually I want to see if we can do username colors, do spawn effects, leave effects, glow effects. Hats are going to be challenging because every person has like a different hat location where the hat needs to be. But spawn effects and leave effects would be cool. But I'm not sure if they're if they add enough. Like Hydrate is cool. Hydrate adds a bunch. We also need to add an interrupting cow. User text. User dot username. Actually, what text do we want to say? User dot username plus received sprite shard plus string of the bonus rewards plus from hydrating, something like that. Dot q for hydrating JWigs. Okay. So that will span messages. That will span 10 messages. I feel like there's a better way to. I feel like I should you can't hide. Okay, so actually technically it is kind of showing up in kind of the correct spot. It's actually no, it's the wrong. Oh well. It's been over 10 minutes. Has it been 10 minutes since the last one? It does take a while. It does take a while. Or if it's not there in like 2 minutes, then maybe right now it's just the visual is broken. The visual is very broken. Because earlier I saw it like down below. I think it might be once that little bit disappears. If you can see it well on the stream. Then you can rehydrate. I feel like when someone hydrates, it's gonna shock me. It's gonna be shocking. I kind of want to put this into one message. I feel like sending 10 messages is going to be insane. So I'm gonna have text equals this, and then we're just gonna do text plus equals user dot username. If we're gonna do if text is blank, then we're going to wait. No, if it's not blank, then we're going to comma space that, and then if and then we also want to, you put a yeah. Oh wait, no, we want to do if I equals amount minus 1 else. So if you're this last one, we send an end. If you're not the last one, but you're not the first one, we put a comma. So then afterwards, after all of this, we are going to send a new message, which text, actually this should just be user names names combined. Text, usernames combined, receive for Hydrate and JWix. Then it sends all of them. And we are queuing it so we can ignore the fact that what on earth? User. Oh, shoot. New message needs a specific. I knew it would shock me. Oh, I need a warning. I need a warning.
Triple hydrate. Quad hydrate.
I need a warning.
Hydrate.
I need a warning sound before the first one. You know what? Maybe we can use that horn. Maybe we can play the horn like a second before everything goes off. Just to warn me. The sound is my warning. The sound, it just blasts out of nowhere. My message really needs a user? Shoot, it actually does need a user. Why does it need a user? It's a system. If I have a system message, does it need to be associated with a user? No. So we want to do if it is defined or it's a system message. And I want to make sure that my chat controller can handle having no user object. I believe user.username. Oh, see right here. See, there's no user there. Or because it needs a username of some sort. Why does it need a username? Thanks to Streamlag, the horn will tell us that it's time. Yeah. So yeah, the horn will also will help you all as well. If I is 0, or I kind of want to do this first. Oh wait, no, we can just do this or message.system. That should back. That means that every system message will have the arrow next to it, which is okay. Message.system. Make sure all of my user objects, yeah, that's okay, are encompassed with checking if it's a system message first. System, we're not drawing the username. Perfect. So that means I can actually have a undefined. Ooh, that's, I don't know. I'm sending a message with an undefined user. I have a bad feeling about this. Chat controller, where was I? Was it my hydration controller? Yes, my user is undefined. Oof. Text. I mean, I could just set it as me being the user. And we do want you to be a system message. Let's try. Oh, wait. Before we do that, well, I just killed the stream overlay. Sound. Let me get the horn in, so at least we can test it with the horn as well. Where is it? Livestream overlay, asset sounds, epic horn. This is going to be sound, hydrate, horn. Okay, maybe bring that down. Maybe a bit more. That seems okay. Because how loud is everything? So let's do that. Sound, hydrate, horn. And that means that it will give me a bit of time. Just a bit. Draw GUI. Create. No. Where's my hydration controller? Keep losing my hydration controller. In the create event. Where's my chat? Where's chat? Hold on. We want to alarm 0. In the step, it's alarm 1. We want to set it to 2 seconds. It's a 3-second effect, so we'll set it to 3 seconds. So once the first one comes in, we will audio play sound hydrate horn 1 false, and then we're going to set alarm 1 equals 300. Let's do 60 times 5 because I can read that better. Comments. Play horn to warn me so I don't get scared. Alarm 0 is combo time. This is going to be start the combo timer. We're going to update Blockling dimensions. Okay, let's go. Let's go. And we have rewards as well. We have rewards. And it broke. User not set. Object hydration controller. Create line 23. Line 23. User.money. User with... Oh, yeah. I'm dumb. I did not get the user before I asked for it. I'll be scared by the... Yeah, the thing is... Hello. I should be back, technically. Technically, I'm back. Yes, we're back. What happened is... Why? No. Why is it doing this? Well. That's a problem. That is very much a problem. I have no idea why. Okay. Yeah, the project got corrupted. Good news. I have GitHub. So I can... I don't know how I do this. I can save it. I can definitely revert to a previous copy and save stuff. What on earth? Okay, so thing is, if I git stash, oh no cam. I know my camera's here somewhere. I don't know. It's not here. My camera's broken too. Is my camera fried? Yeah, camera's gone. Okay, well, my camera's gone. So yeah, so I think this is where we end the stream. Unfortunately. So I can stash it. The problem is when I restore this, oh no, I can choose which one to restore. No, but see, I feel like, okay, so what we have is all of these files should be fine. The main one I'm worried about is the YouTube streaming WebIP. It's a binary file. And I feel like it didn't. Everything else I can recreate pretty easily. Just stick the code back in. Yeah. Okay, well, this ends the stream. I don't know. I'll let you know what happens. The project died. See ya next time, whenever that is gonna be. Oh yeah, before we go, yes, I will have more streams coming up in the future. Probably streaming tomorrow and Tuesday, and Wednesday and Thursday, and the following weeks as well. Anyway, goodbye while I try to fix this.